I lead 20 to 50 African hunters, silently tracking the large herd of cows through the thick African forest at dawn. I throw ropes over the necks of the cows, while hunters use bows and arrows to guide the large group away from the river. I signal the hunters to spread out surrounding the herd of cows near the shallow riverbank in golden hour light. I prepare wooden spears and rope traps with the hunters to encircle the 20 to 50 cows drinking from the muddy stream. I pull the ropes tightly, restraining the 20 to 50 cows in a clustered group near the forest edge by the water. I bind the legs of the cows with thick ropes alongside the hunters to secure the large batch for transport. I herd the bound cows into multiple large wooden crates with a group of 20 to 50 hunters. I steer the boats carrying the 20 to 50 crated cows down the river toward the jungle exit. I lift the crated cows onto several riverboats using pulleys and ropes with the hunters.
I unload the crates from boats and load the cows onto multiple waiting trucks at the river's end.
I signal the drivers to prepare the multiple trucks for departure. I drive one of the multiple trucks delivering the 20 to 50 crated cows to the factory intake dock.
I operate the forklift to unload the crates of cows from the trucks in large batches.
I open the crate gates, releasing the cows into the holding pens in continuous flow.
I apply heavy iron chains by hand to control the movement of the 20 to 50 cows entering the line.
I sort the multiple pallets into dispatch zones with 20 to 50 workers.
I position the groups of cows onto the starting point of the glass-enclosed conveyor system.
I align the unloaded crates containing the cows along the steel-floored intake area with 20 to 50 workers. I group the chained cows into batches for sequential processing on the multi-lane rollers. I activate the stunning devices on the 20 to 50 cows moving through the line. I operate the blades, performing the initial cuts on the stunned cows in high-volume sequence. I use mechanical pullers to remove the hides from the 20 to 50 cows on the line. I arrange inner linings in the boxes without labels for high-volume setup. I ensure the high-volume flow of separated hides from the 20 to 50 cows proceeds to the next conveyor.
I guide the wrung hides into splitting blades, dividing them into layers by thickness.
I watch the hides from the cows fall onto the dedicated roller bins in continuous batches. I submerge the hides from the cows into large washing tanks filled with water for initial cleaning. I transfer the soaked hides into chemical liming baths to loosen hair and flesh.
I immerse the fleshed hides in deliming solutions to neutralize the lime chemicals.
I add enzymatic baiting agents to the hides, softening the fibers in the batch tanks.
I operate the fleshing blades, scraping residual flesh from the 20 to 50 hides. I run the hides through unhairing rollers to remove loosened hair from the surfaces. I monitor the 20 to 50 hides soaking in the tanks to rehydrate and soften them. I place the baited hides into acid pickling baths, preparing them for tanning. I feed the tanned hides through wringing presses to remove excess moisture. I apply color dyes to the retanned hides in multi-stage bathing tanks.
I dip the shaved hides back into retanning chemicals for additional strength.
I shave the split hides to uniform thickness
using precision machines.
I load the pickled hides into rotating tanning drums filled with chrome solutions.
I buff the staked hides with rotating wheels for smooth surfaces.
I infuse oils into the dyed hides during fatliquoring to enhance flexibility.
I arrange the high-quantity finished leather products made from cows on display conveyors. I stack the finished leather products made from the 20 to 50 cows in high-quantity piles.
I process the dried hides in staking devices to soften and flex them.
I send the set hides through heated drying tunnels on conveyors.
Inspect the treated hides moving along the final processing rollers.
I apply protective finishes to the buffed hides in spray booths. I stack the processed hides in large bins, ready for further stages.
I press the assembled leather from cows into final shapes using heat molds.
I cut the processed leather made from cows into patterns on large tables.
I punch holes into the stitched leather pieces for assembly details.
I assemble the punched leather components into complete products on the lines.
I finish the edges of the leather products with polishing tools.
I fold the completed leather goods into compact forms for packaging. I operate stitching machines, joining pieces of leather from the 20 to 50 cows into forms.
I attach metal hardware to the leather products on the final lines.
I inspect the assembled leather items from cows for defects in batches.
I lift and show the completed ladies' leather handbag made from cow leather to the team, confirming the perfect final appearance and craftsmanship.
I fold flat cardboard sheets into boxes on the assembly conveyors. I arrange inner linings in the boxes without labels for high-volume setup. I place sheets of tissue paper inside the folded boxes in batches.
I stack protective components, like dividers, into the prepared boxes.
I stage empty pallets near the box lines for upcoming loading.
I align the prepared boxes on rollers for final incomplete assembly.
I insert cushioning materials into the boxes, securing spaces.
I wrap the pallets of product in plastic sheeting for protection.
I move pallets of packaged leather products through the warehouse using forklifts. I secure the loaded pallets inside the multiple trucks with straps. I check the truck manifests for the batches of leather products. I close the factory gates after the last truck exits the premises. I observe the loaded trucks carrying the final products drive away along the horizon.